How to use Amex Uber Credit. First, you want to link your Amex card to your Uber account. Open the Uber app and go to your profile. Tap on wallet or payment, then select add payment method. Choose your Amex Gold or Platinum card and put your details and confirm. This way, your Uber account is connected to your Amex card, enabling automatic credits. Ensure your Uber credit is activated. Your Uber credits from Amex should automatically appear in your Uber wallet every month. Check if your account shows the Uber cash or credits typically deposited around the beginning of each month. Make sure your Amex card remains linked to keep your credits flowing. Use your Uber credit for rides and Uber Eats. When requesting a ride, open Uber, enter a destination, and choose your vehicle before confirming. Verify that Uber Cash or your Amex Uber credit is toggled as the payment option. If the balance covers your fare, it will be deducted automatically. For Uber Eats, select your meal, go to checkout, and choose Uber Cash as your payment method. Always verify that Uber Cash is selected before confirming your ride or order. Your credits must be used within the month they are issued. They don't roll over. If your credits don't appear, try restarting the app or relinking your Amex card. Subscribe.